Hello everyone, welcome back to our lesson, and today we are going to talk about anti-termite treatment spray to our ground slab. So before we start it, we need to open our QS Auto Pro. We type QS menu and enter, and you enter again. And our tool will open right away. So now look, we are going to check the layout of the ground floor. So you can see right here, normally the anti-termite we spray is around the building with this area, or sometimes they just offset 1 meter. I will show you just a second. So right now we need to do a polyline. We type PL, and then we draw the line around our building. And here either you use a boundary of the building or you offset 1 meter from the building. It depends on the specification that client want. And sometimes they prefer only spray, and sometimes they want us to put pipe as well along the beam, the ground beam. So right now we got the boundary of the our ground slab, as you can see. Sometimes let me offset 100 mm. No, that's 1000 for 1 meter. So some design or client, they prefer you to offset 1 meter around the building, and some client they only prefer the boundary of the building. So it depend on the specification that they need. So for now I just take the boundary of the building only. So we put the mouse below the anti-termite treatment, and then you go to QS Auto Pro utility, and then you go to total area QSTA. Just click on the line that we just created at the moment and click enter. So now we will get a area of the anti-termite that we need. So for the anti-termite, we count it as a square meter. So we put 1 here and multiply. Yep, so now we got the area for our anti-termite. Let's just copy here and put it here, make it look clean. So now we need to double check it. So we click on the item and click QS Auto Pro, and then click find item in AutoCAD. And now it will show us the boundary that we need for our anti-termite. Oops. Okay. Do again. Okay. So now all done. And for the next item is about the polyset to external slab. So for this one, we take the same as area of the anti-termite. Sorry. So both of it and the same work. Basically mean we need a plastic. I will show you just a second. So right here, so below our slab there will be need a plastic sheet below it. So yeah, we take it, the area is the same as anti-termite, equal to it. And the last one for our base work is pile head cut and removal. So this one, after the piling work done at site, we need to cut the pile to exact level that we need in order to start a pile cap. So we need to cut it off our pile here. So based on each pile cap, there a pile below it after they have been installed at site. So before we can proceed to the pile cap work, before we can start the pile cap work, we need to cut off the pile to the level that we need, with something like 25 mm, something like that. So make sure that after cut off, we can start proceed the pile cap work. So right now we need to count the pile cap. So we need to create a text and put either the piece, can be like piece, something like that. Yeah, so we will use our tool to count it. Okay, so now I take it as a piece. So you need a text, something like this. So our tool can count it. Let me show it just a second. So you need to copy and pass it on top of the pile that we need to cut off and remove, just one by one like this. Because this one, after we count it, we can find the item and know exactly where are the pile that we need to do a cut off. Something like this. Okay. Just one by one. Just want to show you exactly what to do. And now you double check it, make sure everything is right. You're not missing anything. Okay, perfect. So now we got all the text on top of our pile. The next thing you need to do is you use command IL, isolate layer, and click enter. This one we not counted. Okay, so you can see it's isolate the layer. So all we need to do is just put a mouse and go to our QS Auto Pro utility, and then you click contact quantity or VTS. Just click on it and then select all of it and then click enter. See, and right now it count for us is 28 pieces. So you command LL, layer open back, and now we got the quantity, so you can find it again to make sure that we're not missing anything. As you can see, it marked exactly where are the part that we need to cut off. So all correct. And now we need to clean this up. Okay, so now our best work is done. So for next lesson, I'm gonna show you about like concrete of column, beam, slab. So we will look into the detail for the next lesson. So thank you for watching.